are the Channel Islands, just off the coast of Southern California. Up until the 1950s, there were bald eagles on these islands, but they couldn't survive the impact of humans.
Bald eagles were heavily impacted by the chemical DDT. It was discharged into the marine environment. It affected the entire food chain, eventually working its way up to bald eagles, and these birds weren't able to reproduce. The end result was bald eagles were totally eliminated from the Channel Islands by the mid-1900s.
The bald eagles are top of the food chain. They're a very good indicator of the ecosystem health.
In 2002, the Mancha Settlements Restoration Program worked with scientists to bring bald eagles back to the Channel Islands. The scientists brought in eaglets from Alaska and from other breeding programs around the country. It's been a lot of work, but they've been able to establish a dozen breeding pairs of eagles to these islands.
Visitors can now experience bald eagles for the first time in over 50 years.
You can even watch a bald eagle nest on your computer at home.
I think 20 years from now, we'll have eagles breeding on all 8 of the Channel Islands.
It's great to see these beautiful birds soaring above the islands once again.